Hello students! In this video, we are going to do the project RFID attendance system using NODEMCU ESP8266 and Google Sheets with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that, we need an RFID card with tag, LCD display, jumper wires, and NODEMCU from our kit. To do the project, we need to create the circuit as per this schematic diagram. Connect the RFID, STA and SCK to ESP8266, D4 and D5. Connect the RFID, MISO and MOSI pins to D6 and D7. Connect the RFID, RST and ground to ESP8266, D3 and ground. Connect the RFID 3.3 volt to ESP8266 3.3 volt. Connect the LCD, STA and SCL pins to ESP8266 D2 and D1. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the NODEMCU using Arduino IDE as shown in our previous tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project, open Google Sheets and create a new sheet with columns for timestamp, ID, first name, last name, phone number, address for attendance data. Go to extension, then app script, then upload the given app script code and fill the spreadsheet URL in the code. Click Deploy and New Deployment. Select Type and go to Web App and set its access to anyone. Click Deploy and copy the deployment IP. Upload the Arduino code to upload RFID card data into the NODEMCU board. Read RFID card data and upload the user data via serial monitor. Open New Sketch, write the Arduino code to register attendance in Google Sheets. Download and add the https direct.h library to Arduino IDE. Enter the deployment ID and network credentials to the program. Upload the code into NODEMCU via Arduino IDE. the system by scanning RFID tags and checking if the attendance data is being updated in the designated Google Sheets documents. Some real-time projects, time tracking systems, remote monitoring and control systems, which is used in schools, universities, and offices, etc. The same mechanism is used in this project. Thank you.